Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and as always I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. Today I try to find one pair from each group, and we have gold today, we have oil, and a couple of forex pairs. On gold, on higher settings, we saw price getting into a big wedge. There you go. At this level, price was going and reacting also on a powerful trend line. We didn't know that at the moment, of course, but after following one of our strategies as a bounce trade, some of you took the trade on a bounce, went all the way up. Most of you, because it's a bounce and you're not feeling very comfortable with this, you took it with an M6, but also with an M12 we had a conservative bounce setup, and I'm talking about like maybe 30 pips, yeah, more or less, and price went all the way to 170. But the most important opportunity was here. Price, after a major trendline break and reaction, gave us the only thing we are waiting in such cases, and we got a very nice retracement. Here, some of you took it on this level, some of you took it on an M24, sorry, some of wrong button, there you go, and you can see also on this level on M24 we are talking about an APO of like almost 100 pips, and we are talking about 600, almost 700 pips. With lower settings that was like 50 pips of an APO going for 650. So more or less more than 10 times our APO on this kind of movement. Now if we go to our second group of pairs, let's talk about oil. On oil, we knew from our top-down approach, from the main direction, from higher settings, that price was going long, but it was on a wedge. After price vertical lines at the beginning of the week, after this breakout, what happened here, many of you also took an M12 entry, again like 80, 90 pips. You are already in with 290. Again, more than 3 times our APO, and of course you stay in and targeting all the way up to this point, and we are talking about a lot of pips. Let me give a quick count. We have already identified these support and resistance levels, next potential targets from our top-down approach, and that means with 80-90 pips we are going for 1000. The secret is to stay in the trade as long as possible. Let's go to our third group. I think it's Euro, New Zealand dollar. Again, late entry. Price been going short for some time now, retracing. And we had a combined entry, late one. That means money management applies here. Again, like 40-50 pips. Already price moved. Maybe you are out, maybe not, but we are talking about 200 pips of a movement, more than 4 times our APO. But remember, we have 50, 150, that means 200, and 130 pips if you get stopped out with your last position. That means 330, okay, a lot. So I just measure the direction and say 200 pips. Okay, 4 times our APO. We are large in counting pips. And last but not least, our Aussie CHF. On Aussie CHF, again, what happened here at a big wedge, we bounce trade here on M6. And again, like maybe 20 pips of an APO, price is already 100 pips. So you see, you don't need a lot of trades to create a very nice win-win scenario and a profitable week. If we add only these 4 pairs, we're talking about 25 times our APO. In total, we got stopped out. Of course, we got stopped out in some pairs, but definitely with money management is not going to be that big. So we are keeping some positions running here since December. As long as price is doing our bidding, we are not closing any of these positions. Let them run. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday morning with our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody.